What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. What we got today is a DIY ported throttle body. We're going to take this stock throttle body right here and we are going to port the poop out of it. DIY. Check it out. As you can see here, we got the throttle body. We got a Dremel. That's kind of all you really need. I hope. I've never done this before. So yeah, I mean, I'll set it up here, I'll do some drilling, and see how it goes. Yeah. Rudely interrupted. Well, this is what we got so far. Not a whole lot of progress. A little bit of cleaning up here. Let's see here. That one had sauce on it. I'll just pour it all in there. You probably should have some breathing protection on too while you're doing this, but we're gonna go ahead and get back to dremeling, and I'll show you some more results after we do that. Okay. Somewhere is a very dirty process. Very dirty process. But basically, that's kind of what you want to do. Is go around here and get everything. You don't want to stop moving. You know, keep on moving. Keep on trucking. Because you don't want a random divot stuck in there. So that's what you want to keep on doing. We gotta keep on doing that. The thing, this uses a lot. I don't know if it'll, there we go. Like, I mean, it uses a crap ton. It broke off. We gotta replace that. But I'm basically practicing right now for the 80mm throttle body, so I might not even finish this one. I'm just getting some practice in, and just trying to get my feet in the door with it and practice, because I'm getting an 80mm throttle body next week, and I'd like it ported, but I'm not paying the fee to get it ported, so I'm just gonna port it myself. You know how it is. So yeah, that's what we're doing so far. I'm gonna need to get the throttle body cleaner and another rag and clean it up a little bit, and we'll go at it again. I'll probably keep the same little thingy on there, but just giving y'all an update. Well, we did a little bit on it, but not much to really fully notice. It'll take a lot of these to make it where it needs to be, but I was only doing it to practice. But I think it helps a little bit. I mean, I'll shave this down a little bit. shave the inside of the rim there, get it all flat and stuff. Be moving then. Yeah, you'll be moving then. So, let's see. Kind of helps out, you know. Now, if I had like a machine to do it itself instead of doing it by my hand and stuff, that would help. But you know, shave it all around, shave it all in here. Pretty sure you can even shave it all back here. Also, pretty sure. Like once it closes, you want it to close. So you don't want any gaps. Don't want any gaps showing either. So kind of gotta be careful where you do it at, or you'll get gappage. It's no bueno. So you kind of want to stop where there's no gap, right there. So right there at that line right there. I'll stop up here. Pretty sure you don't want any gap anyway. I'm gonna do it just to be safe. So from that line back, you can make flat. I'm pretty sure. From there back, make flat. Same here. You know, make all this flat as you can get it. Make it all flat as you can get it. So yeah, that's it for this right now. I'll update you if we do anything else today. That was just for practice till we get the 80mm throttle body. That thing's gonna be huge. Like, you see this one? It's gonna be like this big, dude. Like, huge. It's gonna be real huge. So, that being said, also got some other things in store. laminatorFX, go ahead and get it down in the comments below. Not the comments, I'll put it in the description. In the description below and the comments, you know, why not? It's a new product on the market for our engines. It's mainly for the intake, LFX intake. You put it down in the manifold, and it'll keep that little divot from putting air down there, come back up. It causes a lot of commotion in the intake. It makes it to where there's not as much airflow in there as fast as you can get it in there, because it like goes down up in there and comes back up. Stupid. So that covers it up where it just shoots in there better. So yeah, that being said, we also got manifold spacer. So we have to take the whole intake manifold off, put the spacer in there, and put everything back on there. So that'll be cool. And yeah, I think that's it, really. I mean, I got cams in the house I still got to put in. You know, still need to get 391 or 410 gears, and I need 100 shot of nitrous. And a drag pack after that, too. Probably. Already have a Yeti 5. So I don't really know what else I need. I mean, I know I'm missing 2 cylinders, but who cares? Time to break some LFX records, boys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see something different or want to see more of it, tell me what you want to see. Comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, you're a loser and I'm about to fart in your face.